Adams Oshomole your godfather?
How can Oshomole be my godfather? He himself, if you ask her that question, go say, Pastor, how Pastor will be in godfather?
Okay, so how will you define your relationship with Oshomole then?
He's a friend. He's a friend. He's older than me. He was former national chairman, former governor. So, of course, I respect him. And he also respects me. So it's just a friendship built on mutual respect. And luckily, we're in the same party. You know, we're campaigning together. So, and let me tell you the truth. All this issue about Oshomole being godfather, there's no truth in it. Because there's also one man who fought against godfatherism. We missed that. Now Oshomole. At the year the former governor say, oh, he's not godfather. The only time ago Oshomole became godfather was in imposing somebody that people did not know and they did not want. That's when he became a godfather. He solely imposed him. And everywhere he's going to this apologizing. That same man now is calling him godfather. Why are you calling him godfather now? The only reason can be what he did before, he has refused to do now. He imposed you before. This time he said he will not do so. Now they call the start. They want to look for him, give him and say, godfather. Yes, he was godfather because you were a baby. Nobody knew you.
The person we will talk about now, Adams Oshomole, so that we are clear.
Yes. I can't work for government. And I'm free for 7 years. You ain't talking with him out. Nobody can come.
So Adams Oshomole was not your godfather?
I don't see him as godfather. I ain't going to want to play godfather. I don't see him as governor. He helped me, just as I helped him. Even before he become governor. He talk him. I mean, other people raise money, help him enter office as governor. Okay, so that relationship not be godfather, godson type relationship. When I still can run, he help. We go around together to campaign, just as the campaign with the candidate there now. Okay, but I put my money for this my own election. I get friends who help me raise money. So, not be that kind of godfather say I not be anything. He just pick me up from the roadside and come give me everything. You know, wear me clothes, put me for government house. Not be so.
And how you could describe in a relationship right now?
Well, right now, it went from what you don't they do since he become national chairman. It not be like the same person. It not be like the. I should say, all these things they hide them from us before. Now we can't see, and now we're going to put 2 and 2 together. Okay, this is not what it mean. When we come, we say we won't fight Godfather. Call our nanny Godfather that time. What he not do? We say okay, it's true because we know that and say Godfather reason true not good. But the moment he become national chairman, he passed to Godfather self. He became a political bully. Anybody not fit talk where they.
Godwin Nogegase Obaseki, na a man wey do well for his own business for many years. For the year 2007, Godwin put body and he gathered money to support the plan of his close friend, Comrade Adams Oshomole, to make Edo better where. Because he don't always get am for mind say, one day he go work to better the lives of him people. Godwin join Comrade government and na like this the two of them start the Obonge work. Make I tell you, as economic team chairman, Godwin using knowledge raise money for the government to take do better projects. One of them na the Red Roof matter, it too go well. Comrade self talk am, say na Godwin be the brain wey dey behind the success of him government and he no collect shishi. Comrade talk am so say na all of us come sabi the story.
Everything we have done, Godwin had hand. He has been part of the tradition. He knows the vision. He knows the mission. He knows the target. He knows where we are. He knows the challenges and he knows how to overcome them. To deliver all that he has promised, he will do.
When Comrade government begin reach ending, e come clear say na only him friend Godwin be the kind person wey get the plan to continue the better work wey we don dey see. Na so Edo people vote for Godwin. As the man wey sabi, Godwin do well for him people. He carry Edo comot for the economy wahala wey dey the country. Godwin sign plenty agreements between companies dem and Edo government wey don make am do pass 2,000 projects inside 4 years. Some people begin call Godwin digital governor. Other people begin call am wake and see. Wetin come be the wahala with an election for second tenure? Wait and see. As Godwin enter office, he see say money from local government no dey come as e suppose be. Sake of say people wey no follow for government don dey collect tax from people wey get business, people wey wan build on top their land, market women and even drivers dem. Some of the people wey dey collect this illegal money dey celebrate billions as tigers and lions when government sef never see the money spent. Na so Godwin say the yamayama don do.
You can't say, okay, the reward for political participation, for patronage, is to now have non-state actors beginning to take over state resources. We have a situation when I took over, my local government, Oredo local government, the total internally generated revenues that accrued to Oredo local government as at December 2016 was under 10 million naira. Today, with that same local government, because of the restructuring, earns almost 100 million naira a month.
We have said no to thuggery and thugs ruling us.
Godwin carry scratch card and POS come make if he be say nobody dey rob Edo people. The people wey first dey collect this illegal money no see am collect again. But again, these people get people wey dey support them. Some na politicians, others na politicians friend. Some of these politicians go poison the mind of Godwin friend wey be APC national chairman. That time now we can see say comrade come dey carry himself above the government and the party for the state. Now like this na the wahala take start. After House of Assembly election, they begin plan to impeach the governor, but Godwin sabi the law and he use am well to scatter their plans to dabaru in government. Godwin do well for him first term. Him projects dey everywhere we dey see them. Him come talk say make him do second term, make if he still do plenty better things for him people them. But these men them don't look am say for the election Godwin go beat them. Now show them start another plan to see say them no allow Godwin join the party election. These men them talk say Godwin will be your guy inside money matter no go school. These men them begin dey lie for newspapers, television and other media. These men them think say them don't win, but after plenty talk, PDP give their support to Godwin. Godwin Nogegase Obaseki na Edo man wey don carry Edo people matter for head. I believe say you know. Him plan na to see say we get the better life wey we deserve today, tomorrow and the years wey follow. Now we in government go dey serve, no be godfathers wey be say na money them just wan swallow. Godwin don carry our matter for head. Godwin don dey fight for our right. Time don reach to join am for the fight. On September 19, make all of us come out. Make we vote Godwin Obaseki. Make godfatherism no come back. Make Agberos no come back. Make CDA boys no come back. Make illegal taxation no come back. Make we reject Tinubu. Make we reject all these people wey be say na for their belle na in dey think. Make we vote PDP. Put am for umbrella. PDP. Power to the people.